thought I would vlog today. Oh, so I can't get on my seatbelt. Thought I would vlog today because why not? I have some running around to do. I have to go get my nails done because these are from the 4th of July still, and they're turning yellow. Kind of. I feel like you can't tell in the video, but they're turning yellow. And I always do shellac nails, and my friend Carissa told me to get the dip powder or something like that on your nails. So I'm gonna try that today too. And then I have to run and get some new heels because I'm going to Atlanta. My nails turned out so good. They're so pretty. So I tried the dip powder stuff. My friend Carissa goes to this nail place all the time, and she told me to get the dip powder because I usually always did shellac. So I tried out the dip powder this time, and it's so pretty. It sparkles in the sun too. Oh my god. Longer, or I don't know. It stays on just as good as shellac, or even longer, I guess is what they say. So yeah, so I got those done, and then I also got my toes done. But yeah, so I'll definitely be getting the dip powder more because it's really, I just really liked it. So, and then I'm gonna go to Marshall's because I need those heels. Hopefully they're still there, but we'll see. So. At least they still had the heels that I needed. They're so comfy. Okay, now I'm gonna go to Target. I really don't need anything in Target, but so in this salad section, I literally always get this one. It's this one. So good. They have all these different ones though. I literally always get this. What do you do when you go to Target? You get Starbucks. And you get a basic ass drink. Matches my nails though, so that's kind of cool, right? I also got a freaking donut. God, I'm so fat. I should start driving though. So yeah, I have such bad eating habits, it's not even funny, but who am I trying to impress? Nobody, so yeah. Why is this my life? I don't regret it. Ever. Luna, say hi. Say hi, Luna. Oh. Missed me. Babe, just say hi.
Hi, guys.
Thank you. So I have a new setup. Don't mind the trash, but yeah, I'm excited to film here because I haven't ever done a cool background and stuff like that. But guys, this is a DIY ring. Oh my god, a DIY ring light. Look how dinky it is. Literally using a paper towel holder, and so is this one because it holds up my tripod. So yeah, that is my little area that I'm gonna be filming at from now on. So hopefully it'll be cool. Yeah. Luna, come here. She's sitting on our pile of laundry. She always does this. Hi, Luna. Hi to the camera. She always likes to sit on clean laundry, don't you? Luna, you're not supposed to chew on dryer sheets. You know this. No. She's like, but Mom, I don't think so. You don't think so? She's so cute though. No. Nope. Sorry. Sorry, I love you though. She's like, Mom, you suck. Why are you so cute? I love you. Child. Luna's just like bark. What are you barking at? Luna, come here. Come here. You like to say hi? Come here. Say hi. Hi, baby. Okay. I got some stuff at Target the other night. Have you guys ever used this e.l.f. Eyeliner? It actually works like really good, and it was $2, so it's just the liquid eyeliner in jet black. But I got this, I got this Maybelline, wait, no, this is L'Oreal. I got this L'Oreal white liquid eyeliner because I want to do like a cool makeup look with it. I don't know, I think it'd be cool. And then I also got like a turquoise one from Maybelline. It's like a metallic. I don't know, I'm just trying to see what kind of like fun makeup looks I could do with those. And then I just got more of this mascara because it's amazing. The L'Oreal, the new luminous stuff. And then I got this super cute headband or bandana or whatever at Target. It was only $6. They had a couple. But I love this color. It's so cute. And I want to do like cute headband or bandana like hairstyles or something. I don't know. I want to see what I can do because I think it'd be kind of cute. So yeah, do you guys like my new setup for like videos and stuff? I have so much shit on there because I can't decide like what I like best. I really can't. I don't know. It's like a cluttered mess, but whatever. Come here. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Stop trying to bite my nails. Luna. Luna. No. Act like a good dog. Act like a good puppy. I'm dead. She's such a big baby. Yes, you are. Okay. There you go. Okay. Eli's on his way back from the store. We're gonna make spaghetti tonight. Luna, sit. Sit, baby. Sit. Good girl. Shake. 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 She's so ready. She knows what she's getting. Sit. You better sit down, girl. Do you want this bone? No. Sit. Sit. There you go. Oh. She never knows how to grab it. She gets too excited. Come on. Got all this stuff for our spaghetti tonight. So you got an organic kind?
Yeah, organic's healthy.
I'm sure it'll be good. Oh wait, you got two kinds.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah?
No, babe, this is salsa.
Oh, that's salsa. I thought that was...
Not that smart, guys.
Whatever. I don't know, it just looked like it was the spaghetti sauce. So yeah. Got my fave. What old drinks are you having tonight? You got margarita mix, you got Southern Comfort, Dirty Martini.
You're gonna be gone for a
What
week.
do we got? I know. Onion powder.
What are you doing?
You have to keep it that
Tell
way.
me what you're doing.
I'm cooking the hamburger that's going in the spaghetti. So we had to add a half a teaspoon of minced garlic and then 1 teaspoon of onion powder. It already smells really good.
Very good job explaining what we did, babe.
So this is how I make my garlic bread. I literally just get this bread in the bakery, like at Target or anywhere. And then I just butter it all, and then use garlic salt. And I lightly salt it. And then, that's all you need is garlic salt. And then I just use Parmesan cheese. And then I put some Parmesan on it. It's the best garlic bread you'll ever have. And then heat the oven to 425 and it goes in for 10 minutes.
You're a dork.
Here it is so far. Okay, here's the final product. You ready to eat?
No Parmesan's the way to go.
Why is your face so red?
Rosie.
Rosy.
What about me?
Oh, babe.